First, mark your beats. Then make your clips ready. After that, pre-compose all your clips. After pre-composing, add Twixtor to your clips. Copy my settings. Set keyframes for your speed property. Put one keyframe in the beginning of the clip and set its value to 140, and one in the end of the clip with the same value. Place another keyframe in the middle of the clip with value 40. Select all keyframes and press F9 for easy ease. Then select first two keyframes and apply this graph. Then select the last two keyframes and apply this graph. Split the layer at beats. Here I just changed the values back to 140 as it was mistakenly 110. Now to make things easy, just copy and paste the Twixtor effect to all the layers. If the clips are short, select all keyframes and adjust it to the beats while holding the Alt key on your keyboard. If you adjust it without holding the Alt key, then the graph will not remain the same. After that, pre-compose all your clips again. And add the Blurmo Curves plugin to your clip. Place a keyframe for the Z dist in the beginning. Place another keyframe in the end of the clip and set its value to 0.7. Click on any of the keyframe and move the crosshair to the forehead or nose of your character. Select both keyframes and easy ease them. Then copy this value graph. Select both keyframes and copy them with Ctrl+C and paste it to the next clip. If you want it to be a zoom out, then switch the keyframes by grabbing the end one to the start of the clip and moving the first keyframe to the end. But make sure to copy the value graph after switching the keyframes. Now if you want to zoom in, copy the first clip's keyframes and paste it to the next clip, and if you want to add a zoom out, then copy the second clip's keyframes. It depends on you how you want your zooms to be. Also adjust the crosshair by selecting the keyframes. If the clips are short, then select both keyframes and adjust them to the beats while holding the Alt key. This is what we got till now. I am also adding the fade in and fade out for the audio in our first clip. Select all the layers and turn on the motion blur. Now select all the clips and pre-compose them. Go to the pre-composed layer and again pre-compose all the layers. Then add your high-quality color correction. Go back to your main composition and add your panning and flicker to your pre-composed layer. And that's it.